I'm going to go over just a few things. This isn't exactly how you import the map, but I just want to make reference to because it will make more sense in the end. So we're going to open SD drain. On the left side, when you open up the system, it says grower farm field. That's a grower farm field format. So that's how we save our topography map files. So just remember that's very important. So grower farm field. So where we save all the files, so you can open it up into SD drain, is if you go to this PC, local disk C drive, everything is stored in the GK data folder. So if we double click that, this is a field that I've done already. So when you look at this, you can see your file structure is up here. So remember, everything's in the GK data folder. So this Brandon Rust folder, that is your grower folder. BDP farm is your farm folder, and South Quarter is your field folder. So just remember the file structure in the GK data where everything is stored: grower folder, farm folder, field folder. If you don't have 3 folders in the GK data folder, then your map won't show up in the system. So just remember that. That should make more sense when I'm done with this video. So there's many ways to get your topography maps into the system. You can either get a flash drive from us, which takes more time because we have to mail out the flash drive and whatnot. We can team view, so we can actually log into your screen and upload the maps. But the quickest way to do this is if we email you the maps. So I emailed myself the maps that were created for our farm. So it looks like this. It was shared with Dropbox. So what you do is you hit the file or this link, and that's going to open up another page. And these are the 3 folders that are in that link that were emailed to you. So all you do is you hit download. In the bottom left-hand corner, these files are going to be downloading. So let it download. Click it. And then you're going to extract all. So you can see the 3 folders that we brought in, extract all. And unless you change where you're going to send these files, it's going to default to the downloads folder. So just for a quick reference, we're just going to download to the download or extract to the downloads folder. I mean, you can extract it right into the GK data folder where all the map files are stored, but we're going to click extract. So now everything's in the downloads folder. So what that means is if we go to this PC again, you see this downloads folder. Now here's the folders that we just brought in. So to get them into the SD drain system, there's a few ways to do this. You're going to, make sure you have your grower farm field format properly selected. Press new project. And then you can import your elevation layer, which is your topography map. Click the down arrow. Click browse from another location. And then remember, we extracted the files to the download folder. So you're going to hit your BDP farms and then choose the proper field that you're working in. Double click, and then this is your elevation map. So that's how you bring it in. If you get maps from us, you'll also have a background layer. So you do the same thing. Browse from another location, hit your downloads folder. BDP farms, click the field you're working in. Try it again here. There we go. So then you can upload your background layer, whichever one you want. You got a topo flow or watershed. So now you uploaded your elevation and background layer.